Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Blast Chain to MetaMask wallet. For this, first of all, you will have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device. And in the search bar, you simply need to search for chainlist.org. This will end you on the official website of Chainlist, where you are going to see this section of search networks. If your MetaMask wallet is not open at front of you, then you have to open your MetaMask wallet by your own. Once you open MetaMask wallet, then you need to enter password and then click on unlock. Then you are here on this page. Here at the top right, you have these three dots. Click on it, then this page will pop up. Here you need to tap on settings option. Now settings page will appear. Here in search bar, just search for net and choose the option of network, which is on the top. Then from this page, you have to select a network, but here at the bottom, you have the option of add a custom network, so you need to tap on it. Now over here, you need to provide the Blast network details like network name, RPC, URL, chain ID, currency, symbol and block explorer URL. So in order to find all these details, you will have to open a new tab in the search bar. You simply need to type docs.blast.io. On this page, you are going to see all of the information that is asked over here. So you just have to copy the information from here and you simply need to paste it over here. After filling these details, you will have to click on the save button. And this way you will be able to easily add Blast Chain to MetaMask wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.